So in we go. I'm only looking to do quid scalp. It's not anything exciting. You know, if I get a quid, it'll do what I need it to do on a small account. And everything is still pushing up the way that I want it to go. Now, this might go back and bash through, but as I said earlier on in the score, it's only a scalp. You know, if I'm scalping 10p for a quid, I'm happy with that. You know, and I've just been reading through some of the comments on the YouTube. To be honest, they're really fucking pissing me off at times. Let me just pull one up a second. It's not. Gotta remember where it was. I think it was on this video. That's going to cash out in just a second. There we are. So that's popped out. So there's a quid in the pot. Quite happy with that. Let me just pull this into shot. Switch that off. I want to show you something. Sure it was on here. This one. Okay. I'm more than happy with the way I trade, which I am. I'm just finishing something off here as well. God almighty, it doesn't end. Right. Looking at this one here about process around prop funds, trading in general, passing quickly. It's not something that I condone. It's not something I condone at all. And my response to it is quite simple. Not quite. As you know, I did it for you lot in the squad just to show you it's possible. And also, I do kind of help other people. And I'll go, right, okay, I'll have a shot at it. All right. Now, just case in point, this is conservative. That's that trade you've just seen. It's a quid. All right. But what does that mean? Well, what it actually means, if I flick this back across, is it's little steps all the time. Now, when I was doing those prop challenges, one took me about a month or so to do. Wasn't too bad, you know, it was steady. It was 20, 30 quid a day. I was challenged to see if I could do one in a day. And it was somebody who was just a bit of a dick. And I wanted to prove them wrong. So that's why I did that one. And then the last one that I've just done, I was actually doing it for somebody. It's not difficult to do 250 quid in 4 days. It's not a lot of money. Everything I do is broken down into small little chunks. Now, I did a video yesterday about a golf course, which is what that video was about, and how if you break everything down to the smallest denominator, it becomes quite simple. That's all I do, guys. And that's why sort of when I look at things, and I often say this, if you're chasing money and you're chasing it fast, you're a clown. Period. You know, I get message after message every day, you know, and a lot of them are all the same. Just show me the money. Show me the money. How do I get there quickly? Oh, how do I do this? Where's your stop placement? Where's your target placement? How do I turn £100 into £1 million? And when I explain that you've got to do it in small steps and a stop has to be where a stop has to be, they then start getting abusive. And this is a real problem for me. And it's why I put a lot of everything I do into the squad now. Because when it's out in the open air, you just get shot down all the time. And you just think, well, what's the point? You know. Had a chat yesterday say, well, why aren't I doing £100,000 challenges? Because I'm not here to entertain. If you look at my accounts, they are £100,000 personally. So I don't need to go into a prop fund to do it. You know, I showed you my Vanguard. I even showed you part of a bank account yesterday. And you know something? The amount of flack that I've had is unbelievable. And I can only put it down to, well, I don't know whether it's jealousy or stupidity, or maybe it's a bit of both. But the question is, I work bloody hard at this, and I work hard at my job. I don't need the flack, guys. I really don't need the flack. Very few people help me. Very few. And if you look around the YouTube space, I have helped lots of creators. Lots of them. And do you know how many have helped me? 0. Not one. I've never had a favour returned. You know. So when you think about how the world is, always remember this. Would you do it? Would you go through all of this? Not many will. But I look at the guys in the squad, and I've connected with quite a few of them, and they are really good guys, and I know they've got the ability to get where they want to be, and that's why I'm here. I'm here for them. Period. You know, and do I enjoy making videos? Yes. Do I like a good rant? Yes. I'm old. Of course I like a rant. Do I love my wife? More than anything. She is the single most important thing in my world. And I'm not afraid to say it. You know, spend 24 hours a day with her. Every day. Can you do that? Can you say that you're happy like that? Because I get that as well. I get people pull my marriage apart. You know, and I'm like, you don't know me. You don't know who we are. You know, get a grip and look after your own world. Thoughts on a Sunday morning from a grumpy man who's just woke up to 37 emails, of which 35 were telling me to be an arsehole. So it really gets in your claw. And the ones that wish me dead, you really, really need to get a grip. You know, something's seriously wrong. Anyway, that's Sunday. Hope you're well, guys. Catch you soon. Who knows? Who cares? It's a funny old world we live in. 1984's on its way.